Jose Orlino. Hello po, Mayor. Thank you so much, Mayor. Unta di ka magsawa ngayon invite me diri, Mayor. Thank you. And of course, Honorable Daryl Aba, palakpakan po natin. Honorable Arlot Regalado, Honorable Lito Manso, sorry po sa mispronounce ha. Honorable Juanito Condes, thank you so much. Honorable Nenen Busmion, thank you. Honorable Felix Mira, Attorney John Diao, Attorney J. Herrero, palakpakan po natin. Honorable Jocelyn Onyes, Honorable Lorenzo Asibron, Honorable Bert Saga, Honorable Edmond Vergara, Doc Miriam Busmion, thank you so much. Honorable Bobit Ramirez, thank you. To Cons Ramir Mira, Honorable Doc Ben Bumanglag, yes, thank you so much to our Vice Mayor. Maisa Sagar Barya, tama po ba? Sorry sa pag-mispronounce. And our board member, Woodrow Makiling, and lastly, Honorable Joffro Barte. Palakpakan po natin. Thank you so much. Yan. At this time, sino mga in love ngayong gabi? Gusto niyo pa ng love song? Bibigay namin para sa inyo. Here's another song.
Next song namin, requested song by Mayor.
Yeah!
Big dream. I made a lot of bad moves. I know you could walk away, but you never do. Hey. Oh, not easy to understand, but you hold on to it. Yung mga in love dito, nasa mga in love lang ha, mga partners. When she looks at me and all the girls sees things nobody else can see, and all of the secrets feels inside, and all the craziness I hide. She looks into my soul and reads me like nobody can, and she doesn't judge the man, she just takes me aside. Come on, babe, she believes that fate is something I never know before. Come on, babe, she loves me, and the love has helped me open the door, making me love myself a little more.
You want more?
Overnight seas, dinner in wine, Saturday girls. I was never in love, never had a time, the hassle and harry world. Loving myself to sleep, waking up lonely. I needed someone to hold me. Oh,
Everybody!
girl, dreams are wearing. When you lost, where do you begin? My heart always seems to drift from day to day, looking for the love that never came my way. Everybody say, two less lonely people in the world, and it's gonna be fine. Out of all the people in the world, I just can't believe you're mine. In my life where everything was wrong, something suddenly went right, and now there's two less lonely people in the world.
Let's be done this all. Para sa lahat ng mga naniniwala sa forever.
Sino may mga forever ngayong gabi?
Sana all.
Para sa may mga ka-holding hands ngayong gabi, para sa inyo lahat. When you say I miss the things you do, I just want to get back close again to you. But for now, your voice is near enough. I miss you when I miss your love, and all the days that pass me by so slow, all the emptiness inside me flows all around, and there's no way out. I'm just seeing so much of you that was never any doubt. May mga forever dire. If you say you'll be there too, I can wait forever if you will. I know it's worth it all to spend my life alone. Wala bang konting palakpakan dyan?